Here are the list for female students who gained admission to AKROKERRI College of Education. I've already made a video with regards to the male things they need to purchase. So if you're a male and you're watching this and you've not watched that video, I'll leave the link in this particular video for you. Please do well to click on it to watch the male section. So with AKROKERRI College of Education, when it comes to the female section, you're also to purchase 2 white bed sheets and 2 white pillowcases, 1 uniform for church service. Sample of color and style will be shown to students. So with that, they will show you which color you need to purchase. So don't go and purchase any color at all. Now you also need to purchase 1 pillow, 1 blanket, 1 student mattress, 2 night gowns or pajamas, 1 sleeping cloth, 1 sealing brush, 1 hoe. The men purchased cutlass, so the females are going to purchase hoe. Also, you have to purchase 1 long sweeping brush, 1 college cloth for Sunday service. As for that one, it will be provided by the college as part of the admission fees you paid. 2 green check uniforms. The style will be shown to you as well. 2 uniforms for lectures. So with the 2 green check uniforms, please do well to purchase your green check before you go to campus. Now 2 uniforms for lectures. Sample of color and style will be shown to you as well. 1 Friday wear. That one will be provided by the college. 2 pair of black or brown sandals for lectures, a pair of blue, black and black jeans. So you get black jeans and blue black jeans as well. 2 white t-shirts for games and sports, 2 white shorts for games and sports. You can get different colors as well. 1 pair of canvas shoes or a sneaker, 1 rechargeable lamp, of which when there is lights out, you'll be needing that to study in case you have an exam the following day. 2 plastic bristle scrubbing brush. You're going to scrub very well. You scrub your rooms, you scrub your washrooms, your hall mistresses, your house mistresses and all that. Then finally, you're also to go along with 300 Ghana cedis as furniture and internet support. The men are also going to pay the same thing. 1 bucket. As a lady, I don't recommend 1 bucket. You need 2 or 3 because you'll be doing some washing and all that. Sometimes you need to store water in case the tap is not flowing. 1 electric pressing iron. I made a video with regard to the essential things you need to purchase. You should separate your needs from your wants. So I'll be leaving that particular video, the link in this episode as well. So please do well to check that video out for your perusal. You also need 1 black skirt fitting. They've specified fitting skirt, 1 long sleeves white shirt, 1 black flying necktie, and then blue black suit with skirt. So you need to get a skirt and then a blue black suit. And so that is it for the female prospectus. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you on another episode. I'm out.